How to fix Instagram will auto pause when possible, problem solved. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix will auto pause when possible on Instagram. So it's very irritating things for us that our photo is not uploading and it is showing that will auto pause when possible. So what is the main problem behind this is that I will show you. What you have to do is just first of all you have to make sure that your internet connection is on and is okay. So after doing this, remind me later. Okay, after doing this, see here it has been paused. So guys, after doing this, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is go to your Instagram, go to your Google Play Store, and then search for Instagram. Now you have to see whether the Instagram is asking for an update or not. So if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, what you have to do is go to your phone settings, and then just click to app management or install apps. After clicking this, search for Instagram. Here is it. Click on Instagram, and then what you have to do is just click on force stop, and you have to stop the force. And now you have to click on storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and then click to permission. Just click to permission, and then you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it the permission, I'm doing this because to solve your problem, because it's my way to solve the problem. So guys, what you have to do is now restart your phone once. Restart your phone and then reopen your Instagram account, and then just click one picture here, and then let's see, just share it. Yeah, it is uploaded. So the main problem is you have to check your internet connection should be in a good KBs. So this is how you can fix your Instagram will auto pause when possible. Thanks for watching.